Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another opportunity again tonight. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with my others on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, these are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chat before you can follow up with the trading activities. Okay, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said, we will be starting with boom 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend. It sold around there for a while but couldn't go beyond this. The support zone was so strong. Okay, so it went back on uptrend and it's still buying at the moment because it's breaking out from most resistance zone. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. But for now, it is still buying, guys. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500, just the way we have seen it. Okay, this actually spiked up, it went up till it got to this level. If you follow up with the analysis we did in the morning, it broke out, or it got to all the take profit. It smashed all the take profit on buy trend and also went back again, and of course it pulled back and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000, and of course just the way we have seen it, okay, these are actually crashed down till it got to this region, and it has been buying up right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity at the moment, most especially if it's unable to break out below this support zone. Okay, just the way we have explained earlier on during the day, we said it will crash, and of course it crashed and got to this TP, but didn't get to this before pulling back. So it's been likely buy till it get to this region before it will start selling again. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend. So you need to be very careful about that. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and of course just the way we have seen it, okay, it's actually crashed and crashed, and right now it has got into this region, and right from there it's going back on up. It went back on uptrend. You can see it got to this region before crashing back. So this is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, that is when it will go back on buy trend. But for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this region, and right now it is pulled back a bit, but has not been able to break out below this support zone. So it's trying to go back on buy trend, but before it will go fully on buy trend, it needs to break out above this resistance zone. So whichever one that happens, either it breaks out above the resistance zone or it breaks out below the support zone, will determine the direction of the market, if it continue to sell or if it continue to buy. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, I'm going to say you should wait for the breakout. Okay, so kindly wait for the breakout to happen. Once it happens, then it will tell you the direction of the market to go with. Okay, so this is very, very important. These are all that we are able to come up up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.